Have you ever shared an Excel file only to have someone break it in seconds? A formula gets deleted, a calculation gets changed, or confidential data ends up in the wrong hands. In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful Excel protection techniques that professionals use to protect formulas, secure sensitive data, and lock down entire workbooks before sharing them with anyone. Okay, let's dive in. Let's start with one of the most important Excel protection techniques, protecting formulas without blocking data entry. Imagine you're managing a student database like the one shown here. In column A, you have student names. In column B, their birthdays, and in column C, Excel automatically calculates each student's age using a formula that updates based on today's date. Every time a new student is added, staff members only need to enter the student's name and birthday. The age calculation should happen automatically. But here's the problem: if someone accidentally edits or deletes the formula in column C, the entire worksheet can produce incorrect results. That's why Excel's sheet protection feature is so valuable. First, select the cells where users should be allowed to enter information. In this case, the student name and birthday columns. Then press Ctrl+1 to open the Format Cells dialog box. Go to the Protection tab, and uncheck Locked, then click OK. At this point, you've marked the data entry cells as editable, while keeping the formula cells protected. Next, go to the Review tab, and click Protect Sheet. Here, Excel allows you to control exactly what users can and cannot do. For most data entry worksheets, I recommend keeping Select Locked Cells and Select Unlocked Cells enabled. This allows users to navigate the sheet normally, while entering data in the approved locations. If users need to organize records, you can also allow options such as Sort and use Autofilter. Everything else can usually remain disabled to reduce the risk of accidental changes. For additional security, you can enter a password before clicking OK. Now watch what happens. Users can freely add new student names and birthdays. But the moment someone tries to edit the age formula, Excel immediately blocks the action and displays a warning message. This creates a clear separation between input cells and calculation cells. Here's a pro tip: if you want an even cleaner data entry experience, disable Select Locked Cells and leave only Select Unlocked Cells enabled. Now users can move only between approved input fields. But there's still one issue. Although users can't edit the formulas, they can often still see them. So what if you want to protect your formulas and keep the logic completely hidden? That's exactly what we'll cover in the next technique. First, select all the cells that contain formulas. Then press Ctrl+1 to open the Format Cells dialog box. Go to the Protection tab. This time, make sure Locked remains checked, and then check Hidden also. Click OK. Now return to the Review tab, and choose Protect Sheet. Make sure to check Select Locked and Unlocked Cells. Hit OK. As soon as the worksheet is protected, something interesting happens. When users click on a formula cell, the calculation still works perfectly behind the scenes, but the formula bar appears completely blank. Go to the Formulas tab, and click Show Formulas. Notice that the formulas don't appear, they remain hidden from view. Think of it as putting a curtain in front of your formulas. People can see the final answer, but they can't see how the calculation was built. Your formulas are locked. Your data is protected. But there's still one problem. Someone can still delete a worksheet, rename a tab, move sheets around, or unhide hidden worksheets, and that can break your entire workbook. Imagine you've built a professional dashboard with separate sheets for raw data, calculations, and charts. One accidental deletion, and everything falls apart. To prevent this, go to the Review tab, and click Protect Workbook. Enter a password, and hit OK. This locks the workbook structure, preventing users from adding, deleting, renaming, hiding, unhiding, or rearranging worksheets. Many people simply right-click and choose Hide. The problem? Anyone can often discover those hidden sheets. A better option is using Excel's Very Hidden feature. Press Alt plus F11 on your keyboard. This opens the Visual Basic editor. Don't worry, you won't be writing any VBA code. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the Project Explorer window. If you don't see it, go to the View tab and select Project Explorer. Inside the Project Explorer, click the sheet you want to hide. For example, if your workbook contains a sheet called Calculations, click that sheet name. Now, look for the Properties window, usually located below the Project Explorer. If it's not visible, click View, and then Properties window. In the Properties window, find the property called Visible. Click the drop-down arrow next to it. You'll see three options. The first one is for the visible sheet. The second one is the normal hidden option, and the third one is the special hidden option. So select Very Hidden. Now return to Excel by pressing Alt plus Q. Notice that the worksheet has completely disappeared from the Sheet tabs. Even if someone right-clicks another sheet and chooses Unhide, your Very Hidden worksheet won't appear in the list. The sheet still exists, and all formulas are working normally. It's simply hidden from regular Excel users. If you ever want to make the sheet visible again, reopen the VBA editor. Select the worksheet and change the visible property. Now let's look at the strongest level of protection. Suppose your workbook contains employee salary information, financial forecasts, customer records, and confidential company data. In situations like these, worksheet protection isn't enough. You need encryption. Go to File, then Info, Protect Workbook, Encrypt with Password, enter a strong password, and save the file. Now nobody can even open the workbook without that password. Unlike basic worksheet protection, encryption secures the entire file before anyone can view a single cell. And there you have it. 5 powerful Excel protection techniques that help prevent broken formulas, accidental edits, hidden data exposure, and unauthorized access. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to Easy Click Learning for more practical Excel tips.